Hi humans! On this video, you will learn how to return blank assignments. On your screen, you will see the number of students who turned in the assignment. Now, we need to counter-check the number of students who answered the activity. To do this, simply open the Google form to see the number of responses. Based on the result, there are only 3 students who answered the activity. They are student 3, student 4, and student 1, while student 2 only turned in the activity without answering it. What you're seeing now on the right window is the classroom of student 2. We need to make this turned in into assigned. To return the activity to student 2, simply check the box beside her name, then click return. You may also add a short message. To confirm that you really want to return the activity, simply click return. Once again, what you're seeing on the right window is the classroom of student 2. The turned in became assigned. Okay, that's how you return a blank assignment to your student.
Thank you for watching.